Sorry, I was not sorry. We are well treated.
So much for this moment. We want to appreciate you, and we pray God in His infinity to continue to grant you good health, long life, prosperity. We appreciate the contribution you are giving to this country, the stability you have brought in. You stand very tall among many of your colleagues and men of character and timber and caliber in the world for speaking the truth and owning to the truth. And you have remained focused in terms of your determination to see Nigeria grow from strength to strength. We congratulate you for the many infrastructure development we have witnessed. The last time, 4 years, we were here with my brother, the Speaker, to seek for your support. There's a great change of what we are witnessing today. May God in His infinite mercy reward you abundantly. We can express our gratitude. These are the kind of persons we aspire and we inspire to have in our country. Your Excellency, we are here in your very comfort zone as a leader, as a mentor, and as a father who has stood very firm in accordance with the provisions of our Constitution to see that power is adequately shared. Rotation, it is captured under Section 14.4, all that you have been doing. And as a former chairman of federal character in the House of Representatives, who have chaired this committee for 8 good years, I also understand the sentiment and emotions when it comes to even distribution of infrastructure development and power equation in the country. Your Excellency, we just finished the the presidential election. We are about to go into the National Assembly politics, and that's why we are here, to seek for your support, to seek for your prayers, and blessings by the grace of God.
Let me also congratulate you for a re-election. That the way we are now, that the truth must be told, that we are going to support the leadership of your party at the national level. I'm not going to support anybody that's coming from anywhere. I will not do that. So, I mean, let people hear me and hear me well. But be assured that all of them, once their leadership says, this is where I do my own work, that's where they will all support. You're an experienced person. What we require now is experience. As far as legislature is concerned, is very much experience will stabilize the house. So they don't require a new horn now. I don't know who's anywhere. You are the first person I've been told, and that's why I have to receive you. So be assured that we will be with you and give you the necessary support. We believe that equity, fairness, and justice. I have no apologies for that. And I thank you, your party, for coming out openly to say power has to rotate. I mean, there's nothing, everybody now knows that whoever finishes for 8 years, it goes to another area. And that will bring inclusiveness. That will bring unity to say that I also am from this country. So I commend you, I commend your party, and that is what will stabilize this country.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.